Custom Maid is the name you can trust. We've been a premier home and office cleaning provider to Western New York for over 35 years, building our reputation on quality, reliability, and integrity. As a non-franchise, our product is consistent. You can expect the same level of service each and every time. Our goal is to build a strong relationship from the very beginning, learning and understanding specific needs and tailoring our services accordingly. In addition, a team leader attends and monitors each cleaning, assuring overall quality and accuracy. All custom-made employees are held to the highest standards and are trained and qualified through our cleaning diploma program. Custom Maid understands the importance of giving you the option to use green cleaning products on your home. We're confident that you'll love the way your home looks or we'll re-clean it for free. Whether your needs are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, occasional, move-in, move-out, Custom Maid has you covered. Contact us today to learn more about what Custom Maid can do for you.